Crisp seaweed, fluffy rice, vibrant colors, and bold flavors. That's sushi, one of the world's most loved dishes. But here's the twist. You don't need to be a master chef or travel to Japan to enjoy fresh, delicious sushi. You can actually make it right at home. Today, I'm going to take you through everything step by step. From preparing the perfect sushi rice, to rolling like a pro, to serving it up beautifully. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to wow your family, your friends, and maybe even yourself with your sushi making skills. The essence of sushi. Let's start with the heart of sushi, the rice. Sushi isn't just about raw fish, it's about balance. Perfectly seasoned rice is what makes sushi sushi. Here's what you'll need: 2 cups of sushi rice, 2½ cups of water, a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. Rinse your rice several times until the water runs almost clear. This washes away excess starch, giving you fluffy, non-sticky grains. Cook it in a rice cooker or a pot, either way works. Once cooked, gently fold in your vinegar mixture. This gives sushi rice its signature tang and slight sweetness. Then let it cool. Never put piping hot rice on your nori, it'll make the seaweed soggy. Preparing the fillings. Now let's prep the fillings. This is where sushi becomes fun, because you can customize it however you want. If you're using fish, make sure it's sushi grade. Popular choices are salmon, tuna, or cooked shrimp. But don't worry, you don't need raw fish to make great sushi. Crab sticks, egg omelet, or even grilled chicken work too. Slice everything into long, thin strips. Think about bite size. You want each roll to have balance, not just one giant chunk of filling. For veggies, cucumber adds crunch, avocado adds creaminess, and carrots give a pop of color. Lay everything out so it's ready for rolling. How to roll sushi. Now for the fun part, rolling. Place a bamboo mat on your counter and wrap it in plastic wrap. It keeps things clean. Lay 1 sheet of nori shiny side down. With wet hands, spread a thin layer of rice evenly across the sheet. Don't overload, just enough to cover. Leave about 1 inch at the top uncovered so you can seal the roll later. Now, add your fillings in a horizontal line across the middle. Be creative. A classic combo is salmon, avocado, and cucumber. To roll, lift the mat's edge, tuck it over the fillings, and roll forward while applying gentle pressure. Think firm, but not crushing. Once rolled, use a sharp, wet knife to cut into even pieces. Types of sushi rolls. Here's the best part: variety. With the same method, you can make dozens of types of sushi. California roll, crab sticks, avocado, cucumber, topped with sesame seeds. Spicy tuna roll, tuna mixed with spicy mayo and sriracha. Veggie roll, just cucumber, avocado, carrots, perfect for vegetarians. Inside out roll, rice on the outside, nori on the inside. Roll it in sesame seeds or fish roe for a pro touch. Experiment until you find your favorite combo. Serving and presentation. Now that you've made your rolls, presentation is key. Sushi is as much about beauty as it is about taste. Arrange them neatly on a plate, maybe in a spiral or straight line. Garnish with a little pickled ginger, a dab of wasabi, and a small dish of soy sauce. Want to take it further? Drizzle spicy mayo, sprinkle sesame seeds, or add sliced green onions on top. Small touches go a long way. And there you have it, homemade sushi that looks amazing, tastes fresh, and costs way less than takeout. The best part, you can make it exactly how you like it: extra avocado, no wasabi, double salmon, or even all veggies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more recipes, and comment below. What's your favorite type of sushi roll? Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy rolling.